student. Dear student, today we are going to learn a new topic, skewness. Important formulas of this chapter are mode. So as we know, mode means the frequency which comes maximum time. So model class is the class which has maximum frequency. That is the model class. The formula for mode is equal to L plus f of m minus f of 1 upon 2f of m minus f of 1 minus f of 2 into h, where L is the lower limit of model class. F of m is frequency of model class. F of 1 is frequency of pre-model class. F of 2 is frequency of post-model class. And h is the class width. Sometimes it may happen that you may not be able to find the mode. That happens only in two cases. One case is when two or more classes have maximum frequency. That time it becomes difficult to decide which one to take as a model class. Second one is the frequency distribution has unequal width. So if it has unequal width, then what is the h should be taken? So in that case, we go with this formula. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Now, there are two methods to find the coefficient of skewness. One is by Cole-Pearson and it is denoted as SKP. So SKP, that is Cole-Pearson's coefficient of skewness, is mean minus mode upon standard deviation. Mean is represented by x bar, mode by z, SD is sigma. So SKP lies between minus 1 is less than or equal to SKP is less than or equal to 1. SKP, if we are not able to find the mode, then we can use this formula. SKP is equal to 3 mean minus median upon standard deviation. That is 3 x minus x bar minus m stands for median, upon sigma. Here capital M stands for median. Then second formula is Bowley's coefficient of skewness. It is represented by SKB. Q3. Q3 means third quartile. Q2 second quartile. Q2 minus Q1 first quartile upon Q3 minus Q2 plus Q2 minus Q1. SKB, this formula is simplified. Q3 plus Q1 minus 2 Q2 upon Q3 minus Q1. So this is minus 1 is less than or equal to SKB is less than or equal to 1. Now we'll see what is skewness actually means. Now we'll see what does the skewness. These are the important formula. That's why I have given in the beginning of chapter, so that it is easier for you to know which are the formulas to be used. So skewness is lack of symmetry of frequency distribution. Skewness, it is lack of symmetry of frequency distribution. It is lack of symmetry of frequency distribution. Now, types of skewness. types of skewness. So first is zero skewness. If there is a symmetry, if there is a symmetry in the frequency distribution, then the skewness is zero. Then the skewness is zero. Second, positive skewness. Second, positive skewness. Positive skewness. In case of positive skewness, in this case, there is asymmetric frequency distribution and there is more density of observation there is more density of observation in the lower part of range of variable in the lower part of the range of the variable. So this you can see, this diagram is something like this, and here if I draw, this is Q1, this is Z, this is M, and this is X bar, this is Q3. So from here you can see here in positive skewness mean is greater than median is greater than mode. Mean is greater than median is greater than mode. So Q3 minus M is greater than M minus Q1. For example, the distribution of income of a person, income of persons. Second, the distribution of house rent, the distribution of house rent. Then we have, this is the positive skewness. Then the third one is negative skewness. The third one is negative skewness. negative skewness. In this asymmetric distribution, asymmetric distribution, in this asymmetric distribution, there is a more density of observation if there is more density of observation in the upper range of variables, so this can be seen by the graph. This is Q1 X bar median mode Q3. So we can see here in negative distribution, mean is less than median is less than mode. That is Q3 minus M is less than M minus Q1. For example, distribution of daily return of price of shares. Second, distribution of age at death of individual. Now important to note, in symmetric distribution, mean is equal to mode is equal to median. For asymmetric distribution, mean minus mode is equal to 3 mean minus median. 3 mean minus median. So tomorrow, in the next lecture, we'll solve the problem on this. Subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Good night.